Hello, I'm Stephanie Tangway, occupational therapist, ATP, and the clinical education specialist from Motion Concepts. Today I am here to provide an introduction to the design features of three of the cushions in the Invacare Matrx family of seating products, the PS, the VI, and the Libra cushions. All Invacare Matrx cushions are designed to provide immersion and offloading with varying degrees of envelopment. Let's take a closer look at how each of the products achieve this goal. All Matrx cushions are designed with a rear cushion radius, providing support behind the pelvis and filling the gap that's created by contoured backs or sling upholstery to maximize the surface contact area. And all include a waterfall front edge to allow support to extend as far as possible along the thighs without creating contact issues and also maximizing surface contact area. It is important to remember that pressure equals force over area. In order to decrease pressures, we must maximize the surface contact area. These features maximize the weight distribution surface of the Matrx cushion products. Let's start with the Invacare Matrx PS cushion, a single density foam product with a unique waffle grid molded below the targeted contact area for the ischial tuberosities and the coccyx. This design enhances immersion. As the consumer sits on the contoured surface, the primary weight-bearing surfaces are the lateral aspects of the pelvis on the higher trochanteric shelves and the length of the femurs, reducing or offloading the principal weight-bearing from the ischials and the coccyx. The PS cushion is extremely lightweight and provides consumers a stable, comfortable seating surface. In the U.S., this cushion is in the positioning product code. Originally designed for consumers who had experienced a CVA or lower extremity amputation and utilize a manual wheelchair for aspects of their mobility, the PS cushion has expanded to include sizes for a multitude of applications from pediatric to bariatric consumers. It is ideal for consumers who have minimal to moderate positioning needs. Now, let's examine the Invacare Matrx VI cushion. The VI cushion is a multi-density foam cushion with a contoured surface similar to the PS cushion. There are additional design similarities in the surface contours for femur alignment, a lower pelvic target, and higher lateral pelvic supports. Again, just as we saw with the PS cushion, those trochanteric shelves provide lateral support and stability for the pelvis. The Matrx VI cushion base foam provides support and stability, while the top layer provides weight distribution and comfort. Between these two layers and below the targeted contact area for the ischial tuberosities and the coccyx is an ultra-soft visco foam insert to provide some envelopment of the bony prominences and offer a greater level of skin protection. As the consumer sits on the contoured surface of the Matrx VI cushion, the primary weight-bearing surfaces are the lateral aspects of the pelvis on the higher trochanteric shelves and the length of the femurs, offloading the lower bony prominences, the ischial tuberosities and the coccyx. In the U.S., the Invacare Matrx VI cushion is classified as a skin protection and positioning product. In addition to positioning needs, the Matrx VI cushion offers a greater level of skin protection and is a natural choice for consumers with greater risk for tissue compromise as well as moderate positioning needs. A popular accessory for consumers who utilize Invacare Matrx cushion products is the POK, or pelvic obliquity kit. These tapered foam wedges are scored for a variety of cushion widths and can be added to the underside of the cushion base to provide elevation for the ischial tuberosity as well as the posterior and lateral aspects of the pelvis. The POK can be used for evaluation with consumers who present with an asymmetrical or uneven pelvis. For consumers with the highest risk for skin compromise or even with existing pressure issues, we move on to the Invacare Matrx Libra cushion. The Libra cushion has the highest level of adjustable skin protection and positioning. It is an excellent choice for consumers with moderate to advanced skin protection needs and moderate and above positioning needs. The Matrx Libra cushion has been used with great success by consumers with spinal cord injuries, ALS, multiple sclerosis, and traumatic brain injury, just to list a few examples. Looking at the Libra product, the extended rear cushion radius and the waterfall front design are again present. The abduction and adduction surface contours for the femur alignment are also molded into the front of the high resiliency foam base. The Invacare Matrx Libra cushion utilizes a molded high resiliency foam base with a pelvic seat well designed to accommodate the ischial tuberosities, while primary pelvic support is provided on the lateral trochanteric shelves, again, to reduce or offload pressure on the ischial tuberosities and the coccyx. The Invacare Matrx Libra cushion utilizes a patented FlowTech fluid technology to provide an enhanced level of envelopment for superior skin protection. The dual-layer fluid pad utilizes a maintenance-free fluid material which is self-leveling and non-temperature sensitive. As the consumer sits on the contoured surface of the Matrx Libra cushion, the primary weight-bearing surfaces are the lateral aspects of the pelvis on the higher trochanteric shelves and the length of the femurs, providing offloading of the bony prominences. The ischial tuberosities and the coccyx are immersed in the fluid target, and the dynamic fluid completely envelops the bony prominences. Note the minimal amount of fluid required to create a layer of envelopment and protection, since the pelvis is suspended on the trochanteric shelves. This combination allows the cushion to be very low profile, only 2 3/8 inches at the leg trough. The Libra cushion is a perfect blend of offloading and envelopment, providing the highest level of skin protection along with superior positioning and stability. As an accessory to the Invacare Matrx Libra cushion, the Libra Fit Kit contains components which can be utilized to fine-tune specific aspects of the Libra cushion for individual consumers. This is typically an evaluation process completed with a seating specialist to determine the degree of postural correction possible. It is easy to see the Matrx design philosophy consistently across the entire product line, from the comfort and positioning of the Invacare Matrx PS cushion to the high-end positioning and pressure distribution of the Invacare Matrx VI cushion, to the very highest level of skin protection, positioning, and adjustability with the Invacare Matrx Libra cushion.